Blade again. In this video I'm going to run through the Sabakuma Wave spawn, which I mentioned in a previous episode with regard to the Pfeffoid Cave mission. Now the reason I'm doing this mission is because there's a daily mission today, or for me at least, for 100 Sabakuma kills. So the wave event should make that a lot easier to achieve that target in a relatively short space of time, provided no one's already spawned the wave event. Now this time I'm going to drive up to the right place, because last time I flew in the helicopter and I didn't show the path. I mean, it's not particularly interesting, but you know, at least you get an idea of which way to go. It's not particularly dense with creatures along this roadway, so you shouldn't have much trouble en route. If you decide to take the more direct route going up the hill, you can find there are quite a few snable snots around, and you know, lots of punies on the hill, and the occasional I think Daikiba, but mainly Exars, the other variant mob up there. But in comparison to the snable snots, I think they number relatively smallly. Here we can see Port Atlantis on our right there to the east. We just keep following this path. Or road, I should say. It's a bit more substantial than a path. And here we are. Just here. Now, you can, if you're hunting in a group of about 3, let's say, you could probably get away with using a Z12 Barbarella or lower end weapons of similar ilk. But the fact that I'm here on my own, I'm basically going to hit them a bit harder, so I can get through them a bit more quickly. I'm also going to put the armour on. Now, these mobs do 100% stab, and they have a tendency to gang up on you quite quickly. So the fact that I'm on my own, I'm just going to keep myself protected and hit them a bit harder. Otherwise, you run the danger of the rounds timing out on you. If you're fairly new to Entropia Universe or have very little skills, I don't recommend doing this on your own and using big guns to do it, because it's just going to be a lossy affair and you're going to come away from the experience feeling a bit cheated. I'm using a slightly bigger weapon. I'm conscious that I don't really want to overkill too much. Although when you miss twice, and again, you know, you're losing a lot that way. So again, that's just it's just for demonstration purposes. This for this first round, because I'll probably get away with it okay. So as soon as you get to like the second wave, being able to finish the round with this gun alone and being mobbed by them, having to heal yourself, it starts to be a bit of a problem. So like I say, you probably want to either arrange it before coming up here, or hopefully there's some guys here already going at it. If you're going to use kind of lower end gear, you do want about 3 people here, just to make sure you get through it all okay. See, the first round's pretty easy. And let's get this last one. There we go. First wave 1 done, wave 2 coming up. Now wave 2, I think we start to see some higher up levels of the Sabakuma. It's probably a good idea just to come to this spot here, get yourself out of the way of the middle of the spawn. Don't leave it, because it can time out if you do that. There we go. Yeah, just try not to be like right in the centre. So there we go, we've got providers already. And you know, it's a jump up in their health, but you know, it requires a bit more firepower if you're on your own. So in Wave 3 we start to see, Guardian level Sabakuma, whereas the max was kind of provider level in the last round. Not that weapon. So it progressively gets a little bit harder each time. There's still the odd, mature and young there as well. You can also stand over this way as well. It just, if you get to an edge, it takes you out of the middle of the pack, and so they don't all swarm at you at once. Here we go, here's the boss. There's only 4 levels in this, or 4 waves in this wave event, and it's the Sabakuma Creeper, who should be pretty easy to take down. And obviously, compared to the normal Sabakuma, he's a lot tougher. But if there's 3 of you hunting here at the same time, then it's not really a problem. Being 100% stab attack, it makes it quite difficult to protect in the one category alone very well without spending a lot of money on armor. This one, he does regenerate a fair amount. I mean, not as fast as some other mobs do, but it's something to watch out for. So you need to make sure that either you on your own or the collective group of you that are hunting at the same time are putting down enough damage to take him down. And there we have it. We've killed the creeper. And that's it for this this video, this episode. If you want to see more wave events, keep an eye out on the channel. Thanks everyone, bye! If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Oh my god! What is that? It's huge! Uh-oh. It's coming right at me! No! No!